So, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is projectile. So, what is projectile? Projectile is any object released into space and left to move under the influence of gravity. An example of a projectile is a stone thrown across a fence, a marker thrown up, or a ball kicked to a post. So that is an example of projectile. We see projectiles every day, but there are certain calculations involved in projectile. So let me draw an example of how So this is an example of a stone thrown through a cliff. You can see the parabolic path or the curved path of the stone as it lands on the floor. So the distance between where the stone is thrown and where it lands is called the range. It's called the range. And the height from the top of the stone, the highest point of the stone, to the point where it was thrown from is called the maximum height. And there's a very important concept to take note of when we start solving questions. Notice how, as I throw the stone from the cliff and it lands here, the horizontal component of the stone does not change throughout flight. Throughout its flight, the horizontal velocity remains the same, but the vertical velocity of the stone changes due to gravity. Like I defined projectile earlier, I said it's an object thrown into space and left to move under the influence of gravity. You can see how the horizontal component of the velocity remains constant throughout its flight, but the vertical component changes. Here it was going up, Here, at this particular point, at the maximum height, its velocity is 0. And it makes sense because when you throw something up, it will eventually stop due to gravity. That point where it stops, its final velocity is 0. So when it stops, it will also start moving again. When it starts moving along this parabolic path, it will pick up speed and then drop. The horizontal velocity still remains the same, but the vertical velocity changes and changes direction. This time it moves downwards. As you can see, it moves downwards. So one thing to keep in mind is that remains the same throughout its flight. So